Hi, my name is Morgan. And so I chose National Ramp just because of how quick their process was. They were extremely streamlined and efficient, and everything was done within less than 2 weeks. And I'm extremely grateful for them. I moved into this house approximately 5 months ago. I just wanted to make sure that my brother had accessibility into coming into this home. He's quadriplegic. I've been that way since birth, and it's been difficult having him be able to come over and actually visit and spend time with the rest of my family. Thanks, National Ramp, for giving my brother his freedom back.